Hi, this is Ratnadeep. First, you watch this famous illusion, the illusion with a highly close guarded secret. Let us watch it first and then we'll see. Here's an ordinary deck of cards. Okay, check the cards. They're all ordinary. To begin with, what we'll do, we'll do it in approximate two halves. All you have to do, you choose one of these halves, just put your finger on it. Okay, just it is chosen part. We give it a quick shuffle so that all cards mix together, and then ask the spectator to choose a card. Choose the card and show it to camera. Okay, now keep it with yourself. And now what we do, these all cards are now face up. We take this face up card and take this card, this piece, and give it a quick shuffle. And as we shuffle it, as you can see, all cards are mixed together thoroughly. Then what we do, we keep it like this. Ask the spectator to keep the cards anywhere the spectator wants, face down. And here the card goes. Here goes the card. Now this card deck we take and keep it as it is inside this. Okay. And then a little focus. And then watch. As you bring the deck out, all cards are face down, only one card is face up, and hopefully this is the card you have chosen. Is it yes?
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Now, if you want to know the secret behind it, watch further. Thank you. Now, if the cards are thoroughly mixed, how did they become all face down? Well, there is several secrets behind this famous illusion. Probably for the first time it is being revealed as to how it is to be done. First of all, these cards, though apparently look all ordinary, they are not. If you remember rightly and watch going back, you will see in the beginning, though I showed the back side of all cards, when I turned it, I didn't show you the front side, the face up of all cards. I just flapped half the deck and didn't go further. Well, there is a reason behind it. The simple reason is half the cards of this deck are normal cards with one side face up and the other side, this is face down, face up, sorry. And the remaining cards, they are both sides the same. I'll explain to you, show to you as to how you can make these cards at home after just a while, after explaining this illusion first. So first of all, you keep this section of card where both sides are identical on the top, and the remaining cards, which are ordinary cards, around 20 to 25, you just give them a little band. The reason for the band you will understand just in a while. It will make a proper difference as to how it can be, the break comes. Okay, and now this entire piece goes into it. Another thing, if you must have watched, it doesn't have any cover. Okay, there is also a reason behind it. Now, to start, I open it, I show it like this to my spectators. All cards face down, all look apparently normal, and then I turn to show the face up. And once I show the face up, I just flap around 20 cards and then I go back. It gives an impression to the spectators all cards are ordinary. Now this band will work. Wherever you give a band, it will directly part it. So it will automatically part and you make it two sections. Now as you know, whether you give this section or this section a shuffle, it doesn't make any difference. Ask a spectator to choose one of these piles of card. If he chooses it, you tell it, okay, it is for yours, and choose a card. If by mistake, by any chance, the spectator chooses this part where the special cards are there, so you can tell the spectators, well, as you've chosen it I am keeping with myself, and this part you take and choose a card. Now card can be is a free choice, so it doesn't make any difference. Suppose in this case it is 5 of diamond, then you turn it and give it a normal shuffle. While giving shuffle, make sure this deck is turned towards you. If it is turned like this, there is a possibility the back side can be observed or seen by one of the spectators. Now you give it a normal shuffle. When you give a normal shuffle, the all cards are from this point side, they are thoroughly mixed. But if you see the other side, all cards are face down. Okay? Now you keep this side face up. Do like this. Ask the spectator to keep the card anywhere face down. Now no matter where the spectator keeps the card, from that other side it is face up. Now you take this deck. If you want, you can give some shuffle also, the way you want to, up or hand on this, but make sure you do not do it from this side. And then you take it from this side, you hold it like this, take this deck and slide this entire deck inside. Now the reason this cover is not there, once I put it in, and if there is a flap, because while I'm removing it, what I'm doing, I'm removing it from this side, because if I open it from this side, again from the side I slid it in, this cards will look like this. So what I have to do a turn, 180 degree turn. So for this 180 degree doing this turn, this deck cover is used in a special way, which is for which this cover is not there. So I do it, keep it like this. I keep a anywhere you have to make your own mark, somewhere a mark in this side or in this side. What I did, I just flapped it twice. As these two sides are identical, it is impossible to understand whether you are opening it from this side or the other side. So for me, I know I have to open it from this side. You can see here's a mark is given, a triangle, and it is half circle. This is why I know this is side, this from this side, I should remove it now. Now once it comes out, as you can see, all cards are now face down, and only this particular card, this 5 of diamond, is face up. And this is how the solution is performed. Now I'll show you the most important part of the solution, how this two-sided cards, like this card, you can make it home. You can get it in magic shop, but these are expensive, extremely expensive. So you better try to make it at home without paying anything, as I've told you in the beginning. So these are ordinary cards. What you have to do, need two things. You need cards, and preferably use this Fevistick, which is useful for this deck. What you have to do, take a card, and on a hard surface, this edge, this angle, this edge, you just smash it slightly. As you smash, you can see it gives a, it will slowly, there are actually in cards, whenever you get cards from the any shop, any card, they are having several layers. So these layers, they open. Okay. So when they open, you can just hold them. Make sure to hold the lower side in your hand. Don't move this, and move this side, because whichever side you lift, it will bend. So we want it to remain straight. So we'll just keep it like this and leave this side slowly, and the layer will come out. Well, it didn't happen well. We'll try from one more side. Here you watch. See, it is coming out, the entire layer. It's very simple. Now you've got one side. Similarly, you must have understood. Take another card, remove this layer, and make one side, and then apply this glue apply this glue, and while applying, make sure you apply it absolutely uniformly, because if there is an accumulation of glue somewhere here, there will be a bulge. Once you stick the cards together, there will be a bulge, and it will be impossible to remove this bulge. So apply it uniformly and stick them together, and you will have one card. Like this, use a deck of 52 cards, and you will have 26 cards with both sides face down, and the remaining cards is the ordinary cards, and that's how your deck will, the special deck will be ready. And whenever you are using this any kind of box of playing card, remove this top section so that nobody can understand. I mean, if you close it, it can be understood, so nobody can understand whether you are, this side is face up or this side is face down, and this is how you can perform it. Hope you've enjoyed, and I hope it is, the entire procedure is clear to you. If you liked it, like the solution, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and click the bell icon for new routines. Whenever we load, you can get the first notification. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much.